Namaste. Today we are going to discuss this idiom Kamar Kasna. This is really another interesting idiom which means to prepare for something. Yeah, so this means to prepare for something, and it has maybe I can talk about the history of this idiom. So Kamar is like your waist. Kasna is like in olden days when soldiers used to fight, they would just tighten their belt around their waist so that when they fight, they are getting prepared for it. So, so like they are tightening the belt around their waist. So, so it's like Kamar Kasna. So it came from that. Now, I don't think it is contextually relevant now, but it's still used, like in the sense that nobody wears belts around them during fight or something. Maybe they do, but this idiom is still useful, like people still use it. So let's get into some examples. Get ready, we are going to play chess now. So instead of fighting, people can fight in chess. So कमर कस लो, हम अब शतरंज खेलने जा रहे हैं. कमर कस लो, हम अब शतरंज खेलने जा रहे हैं. So since it's present continuous tense, so we have जा रहे हैं. That's why we have जा रहे हैं. We are going to, like I'm going to eat now. मैं भी खाने जा रहा हूँ. So रहा हूँ, मैं खाना, I'm eating now. मैं खाना खा रहा हूँ. So रहा है, रही है. रहा है is for guys and रही है for girls. Like if a girl says I'm also eating now, then she would just add मैं भी खाना खा रही हूँ instead of रहा हूँ. So that's the difference. And another example, hoping to get good grades in exams, she prepared herself. So she wants to get good grades in exams and she prepared herself. परीक्षा में अच्छे अंक लाने की आशा करते हुए उसने अपनी कमर कस ली. Since it's past tense here, prepared, so that's why we used li at the end. कमर कस ली, कमर कस ली, since it's a past tense. And परीक्षा में अच्छे अंक लाने की आशा करते हुए, hope, so for hoping to get, लाने की आशा करते हुए. Like we can give some few examples for that. Hoping to get, like hoping to make nice food. She worked really hard. अच्छा खाना बनाने की आशा करते हुए उसने काफी मेहनत की. Hoping to get into this school, she was working very hard for few months. इस स्कूल में जाने की आशा करते हुए उसने कुछ महीनों से काफी मेहनत की. So this is also a useful phrase, hoping to get. And we have some vocabulary here: chess, satranj, Satranj. Satranj. So we are playing chess now. हम अभी शतरंज खेल रहे हैं. शतरंज खेल रहे हैं. And now, अब और अभी. You can use either अब और अभी. Like, now I will work. अब मैं काम करूँगा. और अभी मैं काम करूँगा. Next one, to hope. आशा करना. आशा करना. Like, I'm hoping that you would help me. मैं आशा कर रहा हूँ कि तुम मेरी सहायता करोगे. I'm hoping to get good grades. मैं अच्छे नंबर, अच्छे अंक लाने की आशा कर रहा हूँ. Good, अच्छा. Like, these are good clothes. ये अच्छे कपड़े हैं. So depending on singular or plural, for plural you would say अच्छे, and for singular, like this bottle is good. ये bottle अच्छी है, और ये bottle अच्छा है. And grade, अंक. Like, I got good grades. मुझे अच्छे अंक मिले. An exam, परीक्षा. I got good grades in exams. मुझे परीक्षा में अच्छे अंक मिले. Now, there are few exercises for you. हम लोग 2 मिनट में शॉपिंग के लिए जाने वाले हैं. तुम अपनी blank लो. So it means we are going to go for shopping in 2 minutes. Get yourself prepared for it, or get ready. We can also use it for get ready. So what do you think will come here? हम लोग 2 मिनट में शॉपिंग के लिए जाने वाले हैं. तुम अपनी कमर कस लो. नेक्स्ट वन इज, मैं अभी खाना बनाने के लिए अपनी blank रही हूँ. I'm getting prepared to make dinner now. Since here it's रही हूँ, it means that it's a girl. If it was रहा हूँ, then it would be a boy. So मैं अभी खाना बनाने के लिए अपनी कमर कस रही हूँ. And we have some vocabulary here also. Shopping, खरीदारी. Okay, before we go into that, we have to buy or to shop, खरीदना. Like, I bought this food. मैंने ये खाना खरीदा. और I'm going to buy new clothes. मैं नए कपड़े खरीदने जा रहा हूँ. So from खरीदना you have खरीदारी, shopping. I'm going for shopping. मैं खरीदारी के लिए जा रहा हूँ. Food, खाना. To make or to cook. To cook is like पकाना. Like, I'm cooking this. मैं ये पका रही हूँ, और मैं ये बना रही हूँ. You can use either of them. Like, मैं ये खाना बना रहा हूँ, और ये मैं खाना पका रहा हूँ. So that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and we will see you next time.